Please note that this content is for adults only. Viewer discretion advised. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe, like, and share. Well, that was quick. We have a verdict. Here we go.
Could you please hand the verdict form to the bailiff? Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Madam Clerk, can you publish the verdict? Thank you.
In the case, State of South Carolina versus Craig Anthony Lewis, indictment numbers 2019 GS 15 00138, charges arson in the first degree. Indictment 2019 GS 15 00129, the charge is murder. As to the charge of arson first degree, we, the jury, find the defendant, Craig Anthony Lewis, not guilty. As to the charge of murder, we, the jury, find the defendant, Craig Anthony Lewis, not guilty. And this was signed by the foreperson on today's date, November 7, 2023.
Not guilty.
Thank you. Would either
Both.
party like the jury to be polled?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Members of the jury, thank you very much for your service. Our entire judicial system could not function without people like you who are willing to give up your free time, your time from work and family to come in and make these difficult decisions. I thank you for your attention. I thank you for your hard work. I know it was a difficult decision for all of you to sort through all of that information, all that you heard, all that you looked at, and come up with a verdict. And I appreciate it. If any of you want to discuss any of this with me, you're welcome to give me a call at some point. Can be found in the Beaufort Clerk of Court, through the Beaufort Clerk of Court. You are welcome now to go discuss this case with anyone that you would like. You are not required to, however. If anyone begins to bother you or harass you or anything about your verdict, please contact me through the Colleton County Clerk of Court's office immediately, and we'll have it taken care of. Does anyone have any questions? All right then, I would thank you all for your verdict. Any objection to releasing this jury?
No, Your Honor.
None from the defense.
Thank you all very much.
Oh, he's happy, obviously. Not guilty on both counts. Yeah, engineer said reasonable doubt, blame law enforcement for evidence collection. SLED. Shame. Poor Leanne.
Anything else from the parties?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Defense would move to have the arrest warrants and all issues in reference to these indictments against this defendant expunged by the court.
Any objection from the state?
No, I believe there's a process for doing that.
No.
But, okay.
If a case is tried, then the defendant has an opportunity to have it done. If we wait till a process, there's a cost.
Granted. I'll be happy if you'll get the forms to me to take care of it.
Second, Your Honor, the defendant has been on ankle monitoring under a bond since February 19, 2019. Defendant moves to have that ankle monitoring.
He is released from his bond and the requirements immediately.
Third, Your Honor, there is a number, quite a bit of personal property that was seized pursuant to these warrants and indictments. Defense moves to have an order from this court requiring the Sheriff's Department to return those items to the defendant.
The items
With
that,
the-
I guess
They can have the sofa.
right. The trailer, I'm assuming is what you're
Yes.
talking about.
The trailer, even the pants, his, all of his personal property that
He wants
don't
his pants
relate
back.
to any arson, like the can, the lighter fluid cans. We don't want that, but the rest of his personal property, we believe he's entitled to.
Well, from what I saw, you're probably talking about the trailer, the 2 pairs of blue jeans, and what else? Was there
There
anything?
was a piece of a gun, or some guns, or something along those lines. But that's why I just said personal property, and we can work that out later.
Yes, give him the sofa.
He wants his trailer, for sure.
Couch.
He can do without the pants, but he wants his trailer.
Who, Madam Solicitor, would be contacted to,
He can contact Steve Basil with the sheriff's office. He's in charge of evidence, and he can wait around and we can give Miss Matthews the 2 pairs of jeans that were in evidence. We don't need them. So he
Your
can
Honor,
have his slip jeans back.
I appreciate that from them. However, in the past, there's been some difficulty retrieving things. It takes, so unless we have an order from the court requiring that they return the trailer,
So Ms. Bright Matthews can submit an order with what she likes, and then she can take that to the Colleton County Sheriff's Office.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I did not mean to interrupt Ms. Swanson. An order from this court can be by Form 4 and direct, just return his personal property, and that's all.
and that's fine. If you'll prepare that order, I'll be happy to, I'll be here doing pleas for a while, so
Thank
happy
you.
to do that. And if y'all run into difficulties next week, I'm easy to find, but I'm sure it'll all work out.
Thank you very
The
much.
trailer and the jeans. So anything else then?
That was a mistake.
All right, I thank all counsel for conducting a very professional trial. I know it was difficult for everyone involved, and I thank you all for your professionalism.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hey, Sheriff, did y'all get the evidence?
Damn. Okay. Well, the state didn't prove it. They didn't. And they can only go on the evidence they have, and there was almost none. A lot of suspicions, and as the judge read out the instructions to the jury, I mean, he did say if something's suspicious, you can't convict someone on that, right? A lot of circumstantial evidence, but hardly any evidence. So I'm not shocked, but it is disappointing, of course, for, Terry's family. I can't imagine how they're feeling. Oh, the courthouse is really full for this one. They were really, everyone's ready. They were ready for this verdict. Wow. This was a very bad trial, says Marie. This was a very bad one. Yeah. But there he goes. There goes Craig Lewis. Free man. Innocent till proven guilty, and guess what? He was found not guilty. Totally innocent. Yes. Does he want his couch back? Wow. Oh my word, they only deliberated for, I think it was 1 hour and 40 minutes. And it could have gone either way. Not really, based on the evidence that the state presented. But when I saw, whoa, there's a verdict, I was like, this could literally, I don't even know what they're going to say. But I'm not shocked, right? Hellboard, is it Hellboard or Hellboard? It says misconduct all around. Wow. Yeah. Courtney says worst trial ever. Right? My goodness. It's almost like we want that, that little Men in Black, that little thing that they use to like just wipe your memory of this trial. What? We didn't see anything. What the hell was that? That was hectic. Obviously, the state senator is very proud of herself. Wow. Just, man. I hope that Leanne can see that there's a community out there, and we from all over the world, that sends her so much love and support, because what she's been through is terrific, sitting there by her mother's side as she recovered from her burns, and then all kinds of complications. She had some, obviously, as they mentioned over and over, the defense, health complications and things. But she was really struggling, and she made somewhat of a recovery, and then she got pneumonia. And she died on November 1st of 2019. And, Terry told her daughter that her husband attacked her. That's alleged. We don't know that. Now he's completely innocent. He's found innocent, right? He's found not guilty. So, okay. Well, everyone. Yeah, Objection Cake says, you're a grizzly forever, Leanne. Yes, please leave some kind comments for her as well. I don't know if she's aware of all of us at all. I'm not sure, but I hope that she knows that we know how difficult this must be, right? Obviously, I've never been through anything like that, so I can't say, oh, I totally understand, but I empathize deeply with her and what she's been through. And I mean, it's taken since 2019. The alleged attack was, which is now, he's not guilty. Okay, something may have happened, okay, in January of 2019, and look, now we are here in November of 2024. It's taken such a long time to get here. And he only spent 1 month in jail, and then he was released on bond. So he's been with an ankle monitor, but for such a long time. Now, obviously, as we heard, the state senator, who's his defense attorney, asked for all arrest warrants and records to be expunged, and then also for his ankle monitor to be, for him to be released from his ankle monitor, for him to get his pants back and all of that. We've never seen a trial like this before. Also, have we seen one where they found not guilty? I don't think so. Interesting trial this was, right? Thank you so much for watching this with me. It was very quick. I mean, 3 days. I still can't believe it. Within 3 days, we're done. Can you believe that? Anyway, so thank you so much, everyone, for watching with me. I hope that Terry Lewis will rest in peace. I hope that her daughter can feel some sense of closure and that she doesn't fear that man, right? And that she can heal. And that she knows that we all have her back, right? Well, most of us. I can't speak for everyone, but many of us in this community, we have her back. We show her lots of love and support. I hope that she'll be okay. This is a very sad day for her. All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mars. Really appreciate it. And I will see you again very soon. I'll see you in the next one. Of course, keeping my eye on the Delphi trial. There's also a verdict watch going on there. So that's going to be quite hectic as well. I don't know how long that will be. That jury sequestered. So yeah. Janet says similar to Debbie Collier. Interesting. All right, everyone. I'll see you again very soon. Thank you so much. Stay safe.